Hello children, this is your English ma'am. I'm so happy to come up with an interesting session today. Let me take you to the next level of grammar. Lesson 4, The Road to Safety, Part 6. Today we are going to see grammar, degree of comparison. Adjectives of 3 or more syllables. An adjective of 3 or more syllables use more and most. Adjective, beautiful, comparative, how we can change this more beautiful, and in superlative we can change this most beautiful. Dangerous, more dangerous, most dangerous. Exciting, more exciting and most exciting. Syllable. What is a syllable, children? A syllable is a word part under the basic unit of English rhythm. English words can have 1, 2, 3 or even more syllables. In the word drive away, there are 2 syllables. In the sentence drive him away, there are 4. Here are some examples for you how we can split the word. Radish, radish, never, driven, robin, unfit, radar, fever, driver, robot, unit. So in such way we can split the words, that is known as syllable. So the word which has more than 2 or 3 syllables, we are using more and most. See, here is the activity for you. Look within. Think about your learning at school. In order, list 3 subjects each that you find interesting, difficult. Interesting. So which subject is interesting to you, you have to write here. We may compare subjects that you have listed in the following way. English is an interesting subject. I find science more interesting than English. I find mathematics most interesting of all. Observe that we also use more and most with adjectives to make comparison. Read more examples of such comparisons in figure 8. Fill in one example of your own and write a sentence using each. See, here is a positive, comparative and superlative degree. Careful, more careful, most careful. Expensive, so it is more than 3. More expensive, most expensive. Comfortable, more than 3 syllable. More comfortable, most comfortable. Important, more important, most important. So here is an exercise for you. You have to write the adjective here and change this into comparative degree and superlative degree and write the sentence also here. So write this in your studio, children. Now here are the rules for you. Word of caution, you have to aware of this. The adjectives good, bad and for have special forms. In positive, good may change into better and best in superlative. Bad, worse, worst. Far, further, furthest. Be careful in using more and most in comparison. Watermelons are bigger than grapes. We should not use watermelons are more bigger than grapes. My mother is tallest in my family. We cannot use my mother is the most tall in my family. This movie is more interesting than the book. We should not use this movie is interestinger than the book. So these are the rules, you may follow this. Now here is an exercise for you. Name the adjective that can be used to describe each of the following picture sets. Write the corresponding comparative and superlative degrees. Now see this picture. This is long. The scale is long. Rope is longer than a scale. and the road is the longest. And you can see here is a bird, small, crab is smaller than that bird, and the ant is smallest. Now you can see the coffee and the fire, sun, which is the hottest one. Hot, coffee is hot, fire is hotter than coffee, and the sun is the hottest. Now you can see cold. Ice cream is cold. Ice cubes are colder than ice cream, and Mount Everest is the coldest. Now you can see the slow, slower, slowest. So write this in your studio books, children. Here is a exercise which is in your companion book. There are 10 houses on the street. Our house is the dash. So is a keyword for you. Wherever you can see the, you should use the superlative degree words. So here which one is superlative? Biggest. That is the right answer. This is the dash book I have ever read. So what is the answer? Most interesting. Nina is dash than Kiran. Nina is shorter than Kiran. Your desk is dash than mine. Your desk is clearer than mine. Cleaner than mine. My sister is the dash in her class. Tallest in her class. Sheila's fever is worse than yesterday. Now you can see this exercise. Bright, brighter, brightest. Now comparative they have given. You should write the positive degree and superlative degree. Funny, funnier, funniest. Now here is a calmest. So you should write calm, calmer. Now here is a beautiful. You can write this in comparative degree. More beautiful, most beautiful. High, higher, highest. More careful. In positive it is careful, most careful. Thickest. In positive it is thick, thicker. Stronger. In positive it is strong. In superlative it is strongest. Bad, worse, worst. Energetic, more energetic, and most energetic. So write this in your companion book, children. Now another one exercise. So center, you have positive degree has been given. In comparative degree you have to write here. Superlative degree you have to write here. Warm, warmest. High, it is in positive degree. Comparative degree higher, highest. Big, it is in positive degree. Comparative degree it is bigger. In superlative degree it is biggest. Young, it is in positive degree. Younger is in comparative degree. And superlative degree it is youngest. Now here is a exercise. You have to write big, bigger, biggest. Tall, taller, tallest. Poor, poorer, poorest. So likewise you have to write the sentence. You have to write the words also. And write sentences to compare the nouns shown in the following sets of pictures. One has been done for you. Now you can see this tree picture here. One is cherries, another one is bananas, and the last one is cake. So how we can write this in sentence? Cherries are sweet. Bananas are sweeter than cherries. Cakes are the sweetest. Now this one is your cotton plant, woolen thread, and it is a feather. So how we can write this in sentence? Yes, cotton is soft. Woolen is softer than cotton. The last one is feather. Feather is the softest. Okay. Now you can see the plant, giraffe, and building. Which one is tall? Okay. Now a plant is tall. Now we can compare this with the giraffe. Giraffe is taller than plant. The building is the tallest. Now you can see the coffee, candle and sun. Which one is hottest here? Coffee is hot. Candle is hotter than coffee. The last one, the sun is the hottest. Now you can see the sharp objects here. Which one is sharpest? Scissors is sharp. Knife is sharper than scissors. The last one is an axe is the sharpest. Children, you may write all this thing in your studio as well as in your companion book, children. Practice this at your home. Thank you. Meet you in the next session.